Did you know carrots are not just good for your eyes, but it is good for your skin? This homemade carrot body butter will give your skin glow naturally, deep moisturize, and protects your skin from damaging. Just using simple ingredients from your kitchen. So okay, my people, now we are going to start. Now I'm infusing my carrot oil. Before you make your carrot butter, always try to have a carrot oil. So if you want to see how I infuse this oil, please check Princess Hair Care in my channel, YouTube channel. You see the full video over there. Okay, so now I'm putting my baby product Vaseline inside, and also I'm adding my organic Vaseline. Also I'm going to add both 2 tablespoons plus my carrot oil. So carrot is having a lot of vitamin, because a lot of vitamins that carrot is having, and also vitamin A, which is having antioxidants, also glowing your skin. Okay, and olive oil, those oil that I use to infuse the carrot oil. Olive oil also is having vitamin E and deep hydrating your skin also. And I added aloe vera oil also. It's also locking the hydrating and making your skin smooth. Okay, if your skin, you have some damaging in your skin, or your skin is not skinny, you are using it, you are going to get smoothest skin. So after I melt everything, I bring it out. Now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil inside to allow it get cool small before I pour inside my bottle. So avocado oil also having vitamin B, vitamin D, and also fatty acid, which is smoothing the skin also. So using this Vaseline baby cream also is also locking in moisture and penetrating the skin, protecting your skin. So using this thing, how to use this thing, make it like anytime when you just bath, you take your shower, that's the time that you can use this cream for yourself. Or maybe you just take ablution, or you just wash your face, or you do something, you wash yourself, use this cream and thank me later. Please, if you are interested with this video, try to watch the full video so that you can understand how to make this video very well, how to infuse the oil before make your carrot butter, okay, for yourself and your children. This is for me and my little girl. She's so happy. I can see that this oil is good for me and her, and I say no, I cannot wait. Let me share it with people, because there are so many people out there looking for a way to glue their skin, or looking a way to pop their children's skin, but they don't know how they can do to make the skin glue. So this is the easier thing you can use to glue your skin.